Reprogram your mind with these powerful daily affirmations. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Right now, you're about to begin a powerful journey. A journey where you reconnect with your strength, your peace, and your true potential. The words you are about to hear are not just sentences, they are seeds. Seeds that will grow confidence, peace, self-love, and a powerful belief in yourself. So find a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders, slow down your breathing, and allow these affirmations to reshape the way you see yourself and the world. Let's begin. Self-worth and self-love. I am worthy of living a meaningful life. My existence matters. I deserve love, respect, and kindness. Every day I grow stronger, wiser, and more confident. I accept myself exactly as I am, while continuing to grow into the best version of myself. I treat myself with compassion and understanding. My imperfections do not define me. They simply remind me that I am human. I honor my journey. I respect the progress I've made, and I celebrate the person I am becoming. I am proud of myself. I trust myself, and I deeply value the person I see in the mirror. Mindset and inner power. My thoughts shape my reality, and today I choose thoughts that empower me. I release negative beliefs that once held me back. I replace doubt with confidence. I replace fear with courage. I replace worry with peace. My mind is clear. My focus is strong, and my inner voice guides me toward the right decisions. I trust my intuition. I trust my wisdom, and I trust the journey of my life. Peace and emotional balance. Peace begins within me. No matter what happens around me, I can always return to calm. I breathe in balance, and I breathe out tension. With every breath, my body relaxes. My mind becomes quieter. My heart becomes lighter. I release the need to control everything. Life is flowing in the direction it needs to go, and I trust that everything is unfolding for my growth. I am calm. I am centered, and I am safe in this moment. Purpose and direction. My life has meaning. I have unique gifts that the world needs. Every experience I've had has shaped the person I am today, and every step forward brings me closer to my purpose. I follow my heart. I listen to my inner guidance, and I move toward my dreams with confidence. I am capable of building the life I desire. Opportunities are appearing before me, and I am ready to take them. My future is full of possibility. Health and energy. My body is strong and resilient. Every cell in my body is filled with energy and vitality. I respect my body. I listen to its signals, and I give it the care it deserves. Healthy choices come naturally to me. I nourish my body with good food. I move my body with joy, and I allow myself to rest when I need it. Every day my health improves. Every day my energy grows. My body is my ally, and together we thrive. Relationships and love. Love flows easily in my life. I attract positive and supportive people. My relationships are built on respect, honesty, and kindness.
I give love freely, and I allow myself to receive love fully. The people who belong in my life uplift me. They encourage my growth, and they celebrate my success. I am grateful for every meaningful connection in my life. Love surrounds me, love supports me, and love begins with the way I treat myself.
Letting go of the past. The past has taught me valuable lessons, but it does not control my future. I release regret. I release guilt. I release anger. Forgiveness frees my heart. I forgive others, and I forgive myself. Every day is a new opportunity to begin again, and today I choose a new chapter.
Confidence and courage. I am stronger than my fears. Challenges help me grow. Difficult moments reveal my inner strength. I move forward even when the path feels uncertain, because I know I am capable. I believe in my ability to overcome obstacles. I trust my decisions, and I stand firmly in my power. Step by step, I am creating a better life. Gratitude and abundance. Gratitude fills my heart. I appreciate the small blessings and the big ones. Every breath I take is a gift. Every new day is an opportunity. The universe is full of possibilities, and there is enough success, love, and happiness for everyone, including me. Abundance flows into my life in many forms: opportunities, growth, friendship, peace, and joy. Final section: powerful closing affirmations. Right now, I choose to believe in myself. I choose courage over fear. I choose peace over stress. I choose love over doubt. I am capable. I am resilient. I am growing every single day. My life is unfolding in beautiful ways. The best chapters of my story are still ahead. And starting today, I move forward with confidence, strength, and hope. Take one more deep breath. Slowly breathe in and gently breathe out. Remember these words: you are enough. You are powerful, and your journey is just beginning. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content about mastering your mindset and unlocking your potential. And before you go, tell me in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.